Hey everybody, here are a few of my street finds for this month. A nice, stupid robot vacuum cleaner, and a nice vintage golf club. I figure a combination of these two will produce a quite entertaining video. Before I annihilate this thing really pissed me off. I had to bring this fucking thing all the way home, and it was heavy. But I actually found the power adapter for this, so I'm just gonna plug it in. Are you gonna do anything? You gonna do anything? Are you gonna do anything? That's the filter. It appears it's broken, huh? I wonder why. Maybe because I found it out on the street and people never throw away anything if it's still working. You know, it really is a shame. I just cleaned this entire driveway this weekend of all the little bits of glass and plastic that I've been making, but you know what? It's worth it. How cheap. Does it say lithium on there? And PET? What does that have to do with a vacuum cleaner?
Damn, this thing is indestructible. Oh shit. Oh no, my phone fell over. Battery.
I saw the motor. It's a depressingly small motor. I'm not surprised though, this thing's cheap. See that? There's the motor right in there. That's depressing. I'm gonna do some golfing now. Some real golfing. Oh! This is how you know she's cheap. There's like a pot metal weight inside just to make this thing feel heavier. How cheap. Oh, another one just fell out. Let's see the battery. Is it gonna catch fire? It looks suspicious. This battery looks like it's made out of trash or something. Gotta get that power button. There's nothing in this thing. It's like really cheap. Oh, look. I found the copper. The only copper in this thing. Little coils. A few of these little cheap motors. Another motor. Circuit board. Another motor. A little, whatever this thing is. Oh, and a fan. Cheap motor, very cheap. Cheap little fan blade thingy. Alright, how about the power adapter? Completely finish this thing off. Alright. Gotta line it up just right. Oh my fucking hell. Maybe I ought to just do it the normal way. It's a packed solid brick of crap. Ooh. Well, that's basically it for this. There's not much in these things. They suck, they're cheap. I would say do never buy one of these because they just suck ass. China Deluxe speaker here. Gotta get this in the shot. Okay. Ooh, that was nice.